Hey guys, it's Jerry with Jerry Pincus Real Estate Experts here in sunny Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Not so sunny today, but if it does rain, at least my shiny bald head is going to bead up and the rain will come right off of it. So today's episode, we're going to talk about having time at home because as many of us are going to be probably doing, we'll be staying home, we'll be spending more time at home. Today I'm going to walk on the beach a little bit here, but we'll be self-quarantined. There's going to be more time at home. So the thing I want you to do is to take advantage of this time, okay? So what I mean by that is, the fast-paced world is going to be slowing down for us a little bit. And so if we spend more time at home, our world slows down as well. Okay, so what can you do, to the things that you've been thinking about doing, take advantage of this time. So for instance, if you have projects around the house that you've been working on or thinking about working on, you know what? You're going to have time to do those things. It's going to be things that you want to do around the house. Again, you might want to read a book. You got a bookshelf. You've been looking at books. You've had them there for a while and it's a thing that you wanted to do. Go ahead and pull that book out, read it. Or maybe you've been thinking about writing a book, right? That book is in you. It's going to stay in you unless you get it on paper or you start typing it. It's like a little cloud cover here, but it is a gorgeous day. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. Hopefully you can. Waves are rolling in. Gorgeous. So, gardening, you're going to be at home. Now, we're here in the spring in Myrtle Beach, so if you're at home, you're going to have the opportunity to weed or to plant, get things ready for your garden, or, the lawn maintenance or things like that, raking up, exercises, right? You might have that piece of gym equipment that's been sitting there for a little while. Perfect time to be picking that up and start working with it. Or if not, even light exercises around the house. You don't have to have weights, you don't have to have the machinery, but you can actually do exercises in your house. How about organizing? Okay, look, if you got a garage, a closet, even a drawer that you've been thinking about organizing, now's the time. Get it done. Give me a thumbs up if you like any of these ideas. Let me know that you're there and watching this. The other thing is you could gain some wisdom, right? Some solitude. You could learn something on YouTube. Shameless plug, if you guys haven't already done so, go ahead and click subscribe because there's a lot of good content, a lot of good stories. Go ahead and check this out. All about Myrtle Beach. How about cooking? You'll have more opportunity to cook at home or paint if you've got paint. You've gone to the store and you already bought paint. It's a good time to do that room that you've been wanting to refresh or update or clean. If you wanted to clean something around the house, it's a good time to do that. Carpet cleaning or pressure washing around the house maybe even. You might have thought about that. It's a good time to do that. Clear out the trash on your phone. Who has trash on their phone? Give me a thumbs up if you got trash. Time to clean that out, maybe even. But it's a good time to take advantage with maybe phone calls. Now, keep in mind, be positive because there's a lot of negative. The world is negative right now, right? At this time, when you make a call, you talk to friends, family, try to maintain positive. There's a lot of fear going on. You just want to make sure that you're a leader. You want to be positive. And at this time right now, the world needs a leader, right? So just try not to go down the road where everybody else wants to. And if you're commenting already on this stuff, anything, please comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Because please make it a positive comment if you can, please. Thank you. And share this with somebody you know who can use it because, again, we're going to get out of this. We've gone through a lot of things, and it's going to be a challenging time, but you're going to spend more time at home. There's the lifeguard. Hey guys. So, wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a fantastic day. It's Jerry with Jerry Pincus Real Estate Experts here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Wishing your family health, wishing your family happiness, and in this time together, maybe you'll grow a little closer as well. We'll see you in the next episode. Peace, guys.